Welcome to this in-depth tutorial on leveraging the OpenAI API with JavaScript for creating profitable AI-powered web tools. Imagine revolutionizing your web applications with the power of AI, enhancing user interaction, and driving profitability like never before. In this video, we will explore how you can seamlessly integrate OpenAI's sophisticated AI capabilities into your JavaScript applications. Whether you're a beginner or an advanced developer, understanding this integration can open up numerous opportunities in the tech industry. From automating content creation to enhancing customer support with intelligent chatbots, the potential applications are vast. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a comprehensive understanding of how to use these technologies to create innovative, AI-driven web tools. If you find this content valuable, make sure to subscribe to our channel for more tutorials that keep you ahead in the world of technology. To fully grasp the integration of OpenAI's API with JavaScript, let's dive into some core concepts. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is about simulating human intelligence in machines. OpenAI's API provides access to advanced AI models for tasks like text generation and data analysis. JavaScript, a versatile language used extensively for web development, is perfect for integrating with APIs to create dynamic applications. Understanding APIs is crucial. They act as bridges allowing different software systems to communicate. When you send a request to OpenAI's API, it processes your input using its AI models and sends back a response. Imagine APIs as waiters in a restaurant. You place an order, the waiter communicates it to the kitchen, and then brings your meal. Similarly, APIs take your request, process it using their services, and deliver the output. Throughout this tutorial, we'll explore these concepts with examples, ensuring you understand both the theory and its practical applications. Let's explore a practical code example that demonstrates leveraging the OpenAI API with JavaScript to create a web tool. In this example, we'll focus on a core file that handles user interaction and API integration. This is the src app.js file. Here, we define a React component that includes a text area for user input and a button to fetch responses from the OpenAI API. When users enter a prompt and click the button, the application sends a request to the API, retrieves the AI-generated response, and displays it. This file showcases the essential logic for making API requests, handling responses, and managing application state. You can find the full code in the comments below. As a challenge, try editing this code to add new features, such as additional input fields or different AI models, and share your creations in the comments. For now, let's look at the content of the src app.js file. Now, let's see our AI-powered web tool in action. Imagine you're on the applications page and ready to explore its features. The main heading, AI-powered web tool, captures your attention, indicating the tool's functionality. As you type your question into the text area, perhaps asking about AI's significance in modern web development, you feel a sense of anticipation. Clicking the Get Response button sends your prompt to the OpenAI API. Within seconds, the application retrieves and displays the AI-generated response, showcasing the tool's capability to provide insightful answers. You can scroll through the response, observing how effectively the AI addresses your query. This demonstration highlights the seamless user experience and the potential of AI-enhanced web tools to deliver valuable information. In conclusion, integrating OpenAI's API with JavaScript empowers you to create AI-driven web tools that enhance user experience and profitability. You've seen how such an application can provide intelligent responses to user queries, demonstrating the real-world potential of these technologies. As you continue to explore AI and web development, remember that staying updated with the latest advancements can significantly accelerate your learning and career growth. If you found this tutorial insightful, subscribe to our channel for more high-quality, practical tutorials that keep you at the forefront of technology. Embrace the power of AI in your projects and watch as it transforms your web applications into intelligent solutions that meet users' needs.